This project was an outdoor amphitheater, and it was a restoration of an existing one. It was really well done, and we thought the pictures of the ruins really kind of were great in explaining sort of how it had been and the transformation that occurred. As the purpose of these spaces have evolved over time, this project used the geometry of the theater and the fulcrum to really, as the inspiration and restoration, while creating a new space that really integrates into the landscape in both its form and in creating these informal spaces as part of the amphitheater. The reuse of the existing stone and the kind of careful documentation of it was great, and we appreciated that there weren't as many seats in this sort of evolution of this space and how it's evolved over time. It was a great transformation with really nice detailing and execution. So congratulations to the team.
Congratulations to KSS Architects for winning the Honor Award in the Historic Preservation Adaptive Reuse category for the Remy Theatre.
All right.
Thank you all so much for this honor and this recognition of this project. I'll just start off, but we had an incredibly deep team that made this happen and facilitated the success of the project.
I think this is a great story about impact and about how something at this scale, while we were working on this, exciting campus center project, it's their first campus center at the school. Something at this scale that came in a little bit later can generate so much impact and connection within the Sarah Lawrence community. So it was really exciting to have something unexpected sort of show up and appear and then take a life of its own.